Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're ready. Safari must be current and you need access to the browser. Open Safari now. On iPhone or iPad, tap the overlapping squares, tabs, at the bottom or top, and on Mac choose File New Private Window or press Shift-Command-N. Once done, select Private or tap Private at the bottom, which switches Safari into private mode, so pages won't be saved to history and autofill won't store entries for this session. Now create a fresh private tab. Tap the plus sign in Private View or choose New Private Window on Mac. This isolates your browsing from normal windows. Make sure to close regular tabs before proceeding if you want a completely separate session, because cookies and sign-ins can remain in non-private windows. Once inside, Safari stops saving pages, search history, and form entries for this tab. You can open multiple private tabs, but finish by closing every private tab or closing the private window. That clears session cookies and temporary data from this browsing instance. You'll know you're done when Safari returns to normal windows and the private label or darker search field disappears. If private mode won't activate, make sure screen time restrictions aren't blocking it, restart Safari or your device, and update iOS or Mac OS if needed. These steps fix most problems and ensure private mode behaves as intended.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.